Hey guys, what's happening? How to see who viewed your Instagram highlights. So make sure that your Instagram is fully updated to the latest version. Click your profile icon at the bottom right, open your highlights, and then swipe up. And you're gonna see here who saw your Instagram highlights. The list viewers will appear, but this is only visible for the first 48 hours after the story was initially posted. After 48 hours, the viewer list is no longer accessible. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.